All right, so the next video in this section is we are going to learn about side-side-side similarity theorem. So these are our objectives or our goals for all these videos. So we're going to go to side-side-side similarity theorem. And this is very similar to what we learned with our congruent triangles when we use side-side-side. And for congruent triangles, we wanted them to be exactly the same. So we just look to see do all the sides match up and are corresponding or exactly the same. But with similarity, remember, they don't have to be the same. Similarity, they don't have to be the same, they just have to be proportional. So all of our sides must be proportional. So all three of our sides are proportional. All right, so let's go ahead and do a problem. So for this one, it may be hard for you to realize at first which sides corresponds with which, but it's actually quite easy. So since 6 is the smallest side of this triangle, it must correspond with the smallest side of the other triangle as well. So then we would say, does ST, or the ratio ST over VX. So we would write those as a ratio because they correspond. The middle side, 8, has to correspond with the middle side from this triangle. So then we would create that ratio of UT over VW. Now remember, this first one, it doesn't really matter how you write it. It's just all about consistency. And then the last one, our largest side, will correspond with our largest side. So then we would say, does this equal to US over XW? Right, and now we would just plug these in and see, do these ratios all equal? So we would say ST is 6, VK is, VX, it was an X, sorry. VX is 9. UT is 8. VW is 12. And US is 10. And XW is 15. All right, then we would just reduce all of these. And we would get 2 over 3. Does this equal to 2 over 3? Does this equal to 2 over 3? So now they all have to match up. And since they all have the exact same ratio, we can then say yes. And it's through side-side-side similarity statement. And then the similarity statement would be, remember the first triangle, it doesn't matter how you write. So we'll just say UST. And it's similar to triangle. So I went from our largest and then our smallest. So I need to go through our largest and then our smallest. So it would be this way around our triangle. So it would be WXV. All right, that's it for this video. The last video we are going to talk about and go through indirect measurements.